Hi guys. Okay, so it took a second for me to get that going. All right, nice handwriting. Okay, so all right, you did this about shoes. It's great, and I like how the letters really there's almost a brush look, which goes well with your saying. So as you can probably guess, my biggest criticism here is the poor photography. It makes me sad when students do such thoughtful, careful work, and then there's like a big old shadow um, in the photograph. So what I suggest are two things right off the bat. Crop these so that each one is tight to the edges, like this up here, and that'll get rid of most of that dark shadow. The other thing to suggest, which is just a horror story, I'm sure as far as you're concerned, is to cut it all out carefully with the pen tool and then put it on a white background. But if you have time and you're going to use this for your animation, I recommend photographing it on white poster board with two sources of light on opposite ends, maybe of the table. Right? Otherwise, maybe you could take this into Photoshop and adjust the brightness, contrast, curves. You could mask these out. I don't know if you've ever done that before. You basically paint these and you can isolate the background and adjust the curves of the background so that it's really bright. And then you can reverse that out and adjust the curves, the brightness, contrast of the shoes a little bit. But fabulous concept. I think it really works, and I love, like I said, I love the brush-like effect that is happening here with these shoes. Okay, so this is beautiful. I love the calligraphic style here. It looks like you traced a printout maybe. Okay, so you unfortunately didn't do anything special. Did you see Kimberly's? She actually finally ground some coffee and turned her letter forms into coffee forms, so to speak. So, I mean, this is fine. I would have liked to see something a little bit more experimental, but what you did do is, very well done. It's nice. But you gotta admit, it's not as amazing as a hand-done piece. All right, it's more similar to this one. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to your pieces developing.